This is a demonstration of the first responders of Volusia County, and it was held in a car show in DeBary, which is part of Volusia County, as Daytona Beach is part of Volusia County. And here's the bomb squad truck. This is one heavy-duty piece of equipment here, international truck. And in a second you'll see some of their equipment. And here it is. You'll see some of these robots that are used to go into hazardous areas to retrieve unknown packages of unknown substances, negotiate with people that have hostages inside a house, things like that. And here they are working on some of the equipment. You can see that they're on duty. They have their side weapons. It's a tough job, especially when they're called to defuse explosive devices. But this is a neighborhood gathering, so it's great public education to let the public see what goes into their operation and have an appreciation for the hazard they put themselves in. And in the background there you see a mobile command post for the Volusia County Sheriff. Now this is an older unit that's going to be renovated, so inside you're going to see some equipment that is going to be updated. But it gives you an idea of the facilities available. Now it has a lot of electronic equipment and also communication equipment, a galley that allows them to have meals here, and also a restroom and a meeting room. So I was invited in to take a look at it. So up the steps we go. And a very nice young lady filled me in on some of the details here. Computer stations, command communication center. And as I say, this is going to be refitted with more modern things. You're going to see some relatively old-fashioned television equipment, but that's going to, I'm sure, all be replaced. I think most sheriffs have these mobile command posts. Seating area, then there you see one of the TV sets, microwave, and there's a galley, restroom, and there is the meeting room where they can work on their plans for whatever response they need to make to a situation. Now we go outside and see one of the 3 Bell helicopters that the Volusia Sheriff has. Now Volusia County includes Ormond Beach and Daytona Beach, DeLand, which is the county seat. And this is in DeBary, which is part of the county. And this pilot was very informative, telling me about the capacity of the Bell. Under normal civilian configuration, it can carry 7 people. But here you see it's outfitted to carry someone on a stretcher to the hospital. And there you see one of the hospitals, Halifax Health. So they're equipped to handle transportation and have the first responders ride along, providing care for the patient as they make their way to the hospital.